Tabebuia Drone Detection and Positioning Module, MT303 Quick Start Guide. Prep list includes a Type-C cable, an Ethernet cable 2.2 for G5 8G dual-band antennas, a module. The far right GPS port gets the device's location. The two interfaces on the left are antenna interfaces. The middle interface covers 2 for G5.8G frequency band. The left interface covers 7 OM 6G frequency band. For this video, we used a dual band 2 for G5 8G antenna for demonstration, as drones commonly operate in these frequency bands. On the bottom of the device, the Type-C port on the mid-left is for power supply. On the mid-right is the Ethernet port for data transmission. On either end, the left side features a GPIO port, while the right side has a serial port, both designed to support customized integration. If you have integration needs, please contact us. First, connect the module's GPS antenna. Then attach the modules 2 for G5.8G antennas. Connect the module to the computer's Ethernet port. Finally, link the module to the computer via the Type-C port to complete the setup. Change the computer's IP address to 192.168.0.x, where the last segment X must be between 0 and 255 and should not duplicate 190.168. 200 to avoid conflicts with the device's IP. For example, 192. Click on the subnet mask field. Click OK. Enter the folder. Double-click the program. Connection is successful. We are now in the field for testing and demonstration. The upper left corner displays the pilot's location and drone information, along with a real-time flight path of the drone. The right side shows detailed detection data such as azimuth, distance, and more. If you have any questions during use, please contact us. We will provide you with full technical support.